Ty Shenanigan. I am here with another one. But first, you know, I always got to say thank you. Thank you to my new, thank you to my old, thank you to my future, and thank to the ones who want to watch me anyway. So, my subscribers, that is. So today, I'm going to make, I'm going to call it a Chipotle bowl. I got some leftover chicken here. I'm going to scramble it up. And I got some leftover rice from when I made my teriyaki chicken. But today I'm going to put some black beans on the rice. We're going to put a little lettuce with it. We might even dap a little sour cream on it. But it's my homemade Chipotle bowl. You can make it at home. You don't have to go spend all that money in the store. So we're going to go to the stove. We're going to drop this chicken in the pan. We're going to season it. We're going to cook it up. And we're going to have us a nice little lunch today. It's for lunch. Not going to be dinner because it ain't much. I'm going to cook something else for dinner. And I'm going to bring you guys along on that one too. Today is Sunday. Sunday. We're going to try to do some binge videos. I'm just put it out there like that. Because, you know, during the week, it gets a little hectic. Life be lifing. So Sundays are my days that I can probably do 2 videos and put them out for the week. And then one doing, you know how it is. You know how this content thing works. But anyway, we're going to start doing this here Chipotle bowl. Come on. Okay, my friends. This is the pan that we're going to use. Put our chicken up in. We're going to spray it with this here spray because we don't want too much grease. And we're just trying to saute it. So, we don't want too much greasy. There we go. So, as you see, some chicken I had. I cut it up. And that's what we're going to use. And these chicken pieces here. I been cut this chicken pieces up. And I kept wondering what the heck should I cook with it. But this is what I'm cooking. This is what I'm going to cook with it today. So, we're going to put some poultry seasoning. But y'all know I love a good chicken taste. Poultry. We're going to put a chopped onion. And we're going to put a little bit of chopped onion. Right? We're going to put some of this garlic and herb. Y'all know that. Right? I'm going to get a different spoon. We're going to stir that up first. We're going to see how that's looking. We might put some other stuff with it. You know what I am going to put in it? Guess what I'm going to put in it? Nope. I'm going to put a little Worcestershire sauce in it. Alright. A little Worcestershire sauce. We're going to cook it up. Cook it up. Now, tell me what you guys are having today. Y'all know I always ask. So tell me. It's a Sunday afternoon. You know something? This makes the food taste good all year long. So let's put a little bit of this. You know what though? I want a little kick. I want a little kick to it. And I'm looking for my kick stuff that I don't see. Oh, here we go. Cajun style. We're going to put a little bit. We don't want much because you know why? A sister. Oh, 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 oh. We're going to put a little of this in it. And we're only going to put a little bit because you know why? My sister don't like too much spicy. If it's spicy, she's not going to eat it. Let's put a little Italian seasoning. Alright. There we go. We are good to go. You hear it cooking now. Stir it all up. Get it all cooking up. We're going to get a pot for our beans. We're going to put our beans on. This is quick. It's quick because I already had the rice. So, look. There's my pot for the beans. There's my pot for the beans. And we got the black beans. We're going to put the juice and everything from the beans. Yep. Right in the can. Right in the bowl. Right in the pot. Right in the pot. Everything. Now set the fire on. I'm going to change my this black thing here. I put it on. I puts it on here so the stove don't get as dirty as it would if it didn't have it. I'm trying to make my life as easy as pie. See, I even bought a new one. I'm gonna fix it up. I don't know if I'm gonna bring you guys along when I do it. Who knows? I should. You know, but I realize that my videos don't get much views. I don't know why. I'm being consistent. Some of them come up with a lot, then some don't. But I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep doing it because I like it. So, you know, when I do cleaning and stuff like that, I don't get views. I don't get views on those or nothing. I don't know. I'm going to take y'all shopping. Who knows? I'm going to see. We'll see. I'm just talking. Because I'm trying to congregate with you guys. Look. You think I need to put some seasoning in the beans? They're going to get warm. So, everything is cooking up here. You see the chicken starting to get cooked? I want this chicken to be more done than this, though. See that? It ain't really done. So we're going to let this cook. We're going to let our beans cook. We're going to warm our rice. We're going to get us a nice little bowl. And I'm going to show you how I make it. Come on back, my friends. Come on back. Okay, my friends. This chicken is done. This chicken is done. It done dried up all the juice at the bottom. I'm just going to let it cook a little bit longer. Maybe it get a little darker. And these beans are warm through. But I'm going to warm the rice. Got my rice here in a bowl. I put some butter on it. Pop it in the microwave. So it can get hot. And when it come back, we'll be setting up our chipotle. All right, my friends. All right. Here's our bowl with the rice, right? I'm just over here. I'm gonna taste test it for you, but I just want to show you how I do my bowl here. This pot a little hot. Let me get my mitt. Get my mitt. Right? So we got our rice. We're going to put our black beans on top. This is how I do it. I don't know how Chipotle do it because I don't hardly ever go to Chipotle, but I know they got this here type of bowl that they have here. That's my beans. Right? Now we're gonna put my chicken on top of that. I heat the rice up in the microwave with a little bit of butter. Y'all saw that. I'm gonna put a little of this chicken, right? There we go. How that's looking? Is it ain't looking like Chipotle? It looking like Chipotle. I got my little bit of lettuce. We're gonna put it on top. So we put the lettuce on top. Now I'm gonna dollop a dollop of sour cream. I like a sour cream myself. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna take it over here to the table and we're gonna eat it. Come, let's taste it. So my friends, here we are. We are back with my lunch, my Chipotle bowl. We're gonna stir it up, mix it up. Mix it up some. And we're gonna taste it. So, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. Always, 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 I'm so grateful for my subscribers, my non-subscribers that look. I'm grateful to anybody who come in and engage on my channel. And please comment below if you're gonna make this or if you're not gonna make it. Make it though. Try it. Taste it. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. Let's get it. I done stirred it up with the sour cream. And look, I got a little bit of everything on this spoon. Rice, beans, salad, chicken. Let's taste it. That's good. I don't know if it tastes like Chipotle, but it's good. It's really good. And like, you can season it any kind of way you want. And you don't even have to use black beans. You can use whatever kind of beans you like. You don't have to use beans. You don't have to use chicken. You can use any kind of meat that you like. Chopped meat, steak, I don't know, pork, red beans, green beans, who knows? And you make this the way you want it. But this is the way I made it, and this is the way I'm going to eat it. And it's so good. I'm going to put my bowl down, because I'm going to end the vlog right here. Thank you. Thank you for everybody that watched. Thank you for making it to the end. On that note, I'm going to catch you guys. Wait. If you made it to the end, how can I forget? You have to subscribe. You have to like and you have to comment. You have to subscribe, like, and comment. Now, on that note, the Tide Shenanigans will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for coming along.